E-track rails are easy and simple to install and require no special tools. Here's what you need: your rails, the proper installation hardware, and a power screwdriver. It is important not to use screws that are too long or they will puncture the exterior skin of the trailer. A good way to determine proper screw length is to check against existing screws. First, you'll need to locate the studs. They're usually at 16 or 24 inches on centers. On most trailers, it's easy to find the studs by locating the screws that are holding the wall panels to them. Next, position your rails. Cut away any trim panel so that the rail sits flat on the wood, and try to hit as many studs as possible. Finally, fasten your rails to the studs. If your studs are metal, you're going to want to use self-tapping screws. Alternatively, you can bolt them down using 1/4-inch bolts with nuts and washers for an even stronger hold. To make it extra secure, go back and fill in every 4th or 5th hole with a wood screw. Use these same steps to install the rails on the floor. Be aware that floor joists often do not align with wall studs.